What's up guys, it's me obviously, and today's video is going to be a Bath & Body Works mini haul because it's mini but it's cute and I love everything I got. It's so beautiful. But yeah, and I am going to be doing a gaming video very soon. We just have to fix a few things because I edited it and it was glitchy and we just have to fix it. But there will be a gaming video up, so you know, 2018 we're gonna have a bunch of gaming videos. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Start off with this crap. Okay, so I got this lotion and it's called Endless Weekend and it looks like that, and I got one for my mom. Oh my god, I forgot how good it smells. That smells amazing. Okay, so got that one. They have a bunch of summery smells, I guess. And then I got this, what is this? Body spray, and it is called Tahiti Island Dream, and it looks like this. I like the bottle. Oh, that one kind of smells like watermelon, honestly. I'm gonna mouth water a little. And then I got this, what I always get weird name ones whenever I go to Bath & Body Works. I get at least one weird name, and this is one of them. And it is a body wash, and it is called Waikiki Beach Coconut. I am obsessed with coconut. I love the smell of coconut, oh my goodness. And oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna be smelling good. And then I got the same scent, and it's a body spray, and this bottle is so cute. It's like a new bottle. They had a different one of this, a bottle like this, but a different scent, obviously. And then I got this whipped body butter, and it's wild berry and chamomile. And it honestly looks so cool. Okay, so they have this thing. This is new stuff. I like the stuff that they're coming up with. And it honestly looks so cool. I like how it looks like the pumped kind of thing. And this also smells really good. And what's weird is that when you touch it, it's not moisturizer. It's just kind of you skim your finger across it, and it's kind of jelly-y. I don't know. But I put it on my hands yesterday, and oh my goodness. I got the Tahiti Island Dream shower gel. This is the same as this one. I got matching stuff, kind of, you know. And yeah, this also, it's obviously the same smell. And a shower gel matching the lotion, and it is the Endless Weekend one. We's gonna be popping. We're gonna be smelling different smells every time because obviously we're all gonna share our body washes. Being pulled up. And then I got the Fresh Lavender and Honey shower gel. This one, I don't know, my sister picked this one out. It's kind of I don't know. I don't really like the smell of lavender. But the Tahiti Island Dream. What is this? We're just gonna say body cream. Lotion. Okay, so Tahiti Island Dream. So I have all three of them. I wish I would have gotten all three of them of this, but I didn't, but it's okay. And then I got another one of the Waikiki Beach Coconut, another body butter, and it is shea butter and coconut oil, and it is in the scent Warm Vanilla Sugar. I actually forgot what this smells like. My sister used this one last night. She smelled good. It smells like cookies, kind of. Literally, it smells like cookies. I'm sorry if you can, see the pot. I'm dropping. Okay. And then the last thing I got from Bath & Body Works, it is something I've always wanted. I always was oh my god, I can't afford one of those because, they're, kind of on the expensive side. I wouldn't want to spend this much on a, candle. But I did, and it is my first candle from Bath & Body Works ever. Obviously, my mom has had some, but, I've never had my own. So I just need to go out and buy a lighter because our lighter is out of fluid. And this is in the scent Mahogany Coconut, and oh my goodness, it smells kind of smells like cologne, but kind of sweet too. And it's white, and it says white bar on the top. And then this is kind of a marbly kind of thing, which I'm obsessed with, and it's creamy coconut, mahogany woods, and English lavender. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I forgot how good this smelled. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite thing that I got. These were $12.95, but usually they are $24.50, which is like a lot. That is everything I got from Bath & Body Works. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Kind of random video, yeah. Either my next video will be the gaming video or it will be another braces video, like problems and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and remember, everything happens for a reason. Bye. My hands are bones. Why you look at me? Set on fire until the dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3, and don't you stop the music.